So today, magbo-book ako ngayon. Enter Origin, Manila, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. And enter destination, Singapore. Sinchangi. Next naman, select flight dates, 3 days and 2 nights, 17 to 19, October 2024. Next naman, travelers, 2 traveler, kasama ko yung boyfriend ko, and 1 room. And preferred class, business class. So next, we're finding great hotels for your package. Maghahanap ako ng hotel na mag-i-stayan namin ng boyfriend ko. Scroll down. Pindutin natin yung nasa taas. Then, piliin nating property class is 5 star. Ayan, mga 5-star hotel na yan. Mamimili ako ngayon ng magugustuhan kong hotel. Ito, The Fullerton Bay Hotel. Pindutin natin yan. Check natin yung baba. Tingnan natin. May free wifi siya. Free self-parking and food drink credit. And 1 king bed. Pindutin natin yung select. Next up, choose flights for your package. Singapore to Manila flights. Pindutin natin yan. Then select. Next, review your package. Scroll down. Then, pindutin natin ang next final details. So next, review and book. Who's flying from Manila to Singapore? Ilalagay ko dito yung pangalan ko at ang pangalan ng boyfriend ko. Scroll down, then may traveler 1 dyan. May pipila pa na ako dyan na surname, first name, tapos phone number, tas sa may passport naman, ang ilalagay ko dyan is Philippine passport. Dito naman sa Traveler 2, dito ko ilalagay yung pangalan ng boyfriend ko. May surname din, tapos first name, then mag-fill up din ng phone number, tapos ang passport din niya is Philippine passport. So, ayan, tapos na natin fill upan. I-double check natin. Singapore to Manila, Saturday, October 19. Ito yung araw na uuwi na kami ng Manila. The Fullerton Bay Hotel, ito yung hotel na pinag-stayan ko, kasama ko yung boyfriend ko.